Hello everybody, welcome to my new house. Today I'm going to do something very special. I need a new work table so that all my subsequent projects will be built on the new work table. So a bit about this VADHOLMA Ikea kitchen island. Went to Ikea and I saw it, I thought it would make a good work table. Let's get started. Ikea VADHOLMA kitchen island. So Ikea actually tells us not to use penknife to cut open the box. So I'm going to use scissors instead.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we have the tabletop. Here are the instructions. Let's leave up this tabletop and see what's below. This the other box. This contains the frame of the table. I'm gonna open it up and see how it is. You can see this is the frame of the kitchen island. Instructions and international warranty information. So we'll start with the frame first. VADHOLMA kitchen island instructions. So it says you are going to need screwdrivers, both the minus and the Phillips head screwdriver, and call Ikea if you are in trouble. The next page we have all this, which I assume should be in this box. And let's proceed. Step 1, we need to push, I think these are wooden pegs, into this. I need 6 of these. Okay, let's start. So the wooden pegs are inside this box. All wooden pegs. So the instruction says you need a total of 6 wooden pegs, 3 on each side of this frame. So 1, 2, 3. That one is here. So I have a problem with the other 2 going in. So I'm going to put some singer oil on the head, just a little bit, and then I don't have a rubber mallet, so I'm going to use spana and knock it in. Make sure you don't put it inside the wrong hole. I'll repeat the same for the other side and move on to the next step. For the next instruction, after you put in the pegs, the frame goes into one of the side frames. So let's do it. Next step, 3 and 4. For step number 4, I'm not going to use the center frame because I want to be able to sit on the other side of the table as well. But I'll put in the bottom frame. I'm going to put the pegs in for one of the center frames first. I'll move as fast as I can. So I have skipped step 4 and 5 because I don't need the center piece, but I fixed on the bottom piece, and this is step 7 and 8 which I've skipped straight to. I'll now be going back to do step 6. Okay, step 6 will be a bit different because they provided brackets to reinforce the frame. I will show you guys what I mean. I'll be screwing the brackets. They have provided holes from the top corner, but there are no holes, or the holes are on the wrong side. But I'll be drilling new holes into the frame itself. So I'm just going to follow for the top. And I'll drill new holes for the bottom. So let's screw in the first hole. So that it's easier for us to do the second hole. Just a little bit. Okay, so it'll be both corners are reinforced, and we'll go to the next step. Step 9 and 10, the single piece. And then we'll cap it off with the other side of the frame, side frame, and a bit of reinforcements. And then, yeah, reinforcements. Step 13. And we are pretty much done once we flip the table upside down. So we are at the final part of our Ikea kitchen island build work table. So what we have left are all the small packs for the tabletop. And from the instructions, we will need we are going to need 5 wooden packs. And then after that, screws on the 8 of these screws on the tabletop, and then we can cover the frame. So let's do this. Magic! So I've left with 8 more screws to secure, and then we are done for the kitchen island. Now I need to find out where to screw all the 8 screws. These are the screws we are talking about. I need 8 of them. Fast forwarding. And this is my new kitchen island work table, or work island table, or kitchen work island, whatever. This is my new work table, and I'll be doing a lot more projects with this new work table, but I still have one more item to do, and when we come back, it'll be already done. I hope to have more projects. See you in the next video. Bye bye.